Hi guys, this is day two of speaking English, and my name is Rohit. And as you know that I have taken a series of speaking English every day to improve my communication skills. And as you know that I want to practice every day in front of camera and uploading videos on YouTube. And you know that I want to do so many things and I want to learn English faster as much as I can. And you guys, you are also willing to speak, and that's why you clicked in this video. So guys, here you learn and you can understand, we can learn together English. And here I share my ideas, and you can also share to me that how can I improve more. Basically this is to grow, to improve our English. This platform is for us to grow. And I'm just describing my surrounding, like I want to tell just I'm just making this video, and without having without not having any script. Like I don't have any script, that I just want to improve my English naturally by just speaking and by just forcing my brain to think in English language. And I can I can deliver my speech easily. And as we know that in our daily life we don't know so many words, so we just stuck in just thinking about it. So I think we should do something crazy things, like we can get the meaning of the word from Google, from ChatGPT, as we do usually. And we can make it useful for us in our daily life as we do. And as you can see, now it is going to sunset, and it has been around 40-30 minutes here. And I just was thinking that I should make video, and that's why I'm making right now. And friends, I'm not like a feeling that I'm learning. I'm just feeling like I'm just speaking with you all guys. And I know that day by day, I can improve myself and I can be fluent in English. That's why I started this. And in any situations, we speak English. So it's helped me also, because it's forced my brain to think in English. So I don't know what to say next, and it's almost time to leave. So guys, if you find this video useful for you, if you want to become a part of my journey, so do subscribe and like this video. Till then, bye bye.